So, Mr. Deepak, my next question to you is just like for an electric vehicle, the battery pack is important. In the same way, the charger is also equally important. So, I think some people used to ask me like my charger suddenly not working. It got I think short circuit happened or something. So, what might be the reason the charger doesn't work, or shall we charge an electric vehicle with a plug board, or we need to use a direct plug?
So it is a very important question. Chargers always to be plugged in a separate plug with a switch provided.
Okay.
Always use a switch provided socket where you plug into the charger.
Okay.
So whenever you keep the charger, insert the plug to the vehicle, first you insert the plug to the socket of the body of the vehicle, and then you plug into the electricity and switch on.
Okay.
And at the time of removal of the charger also, first you switch on the electric switch and then you remove the charger.
Okay.
That is the safest way out you can use the charger. And the type of chargers are there. You can get the good quality of chargers and low quality of the chargers also. That is up to you. Of your budget, you can choose the better quality of the chargers. You have the best quality also available in the market.
For example, take for an example, there is an electric scooter with a motor capacity of 3 kilowatt, and the motor stopped working. So do we need to change the motor completely, or is a possibility of repairs? There is a possibility. So what will be the charges, or what will be the major things going to happen if something wrong with the motor?
So failure of the motor have different complaints. See, might be the bearings may get damaged, or the hall sensor inside the motor can get damaged. Even the motor winding also can get damaged. The different prospects, the type of complaints, you can make the motor either repaired or you can replace it.
Now, coming to the battery pack, what are the reasons the battery pack life will degrade faster? So people used to complain, like some people used to have a better lifetime of 5 years or 6 years for a lithium-ion battery, but some people doesn't get more than 2 years or even less than 1 year also. So what could be the reason for this? And how can we effectively improve the lifetime of a lithium-ion battery?
See, the life of the battery depends upon the quality of the cells used and the company who is assembling it. They are taking the proper channel of assembling. Then you will get the better life of the battery. If you are not taking all the necessary actions to be done before spotting the batteries, then definitely the battery life can be less.
What
And the type of batteries and qualities.
Customer side.
See, the battery pack is sealed.
Okay.
The customer cannot go inside the battery and check.
No,
He knows.
the way he charges, or
For lithium battery, it is very safer to use. Actually, mean to say is there is no maintenance for the lithium battery comparing to the lead acid battery.
Yes.
The lead acid battery needs more care. So, because lead acid batteries have 4 batteries connected in series.
Okay.
So any one of the cell get damaged, then the battery will overcharge, the charger will overcharge the battery, or it won't charge the battery.
Okay.
This can happen. Wherein lithium battery, it is very safe to use lithium batteries without any maintenance, because inside the battery there is a BMS which take care of the lithium cells to be charged equally. And wherein the charger is also, it is a cutoff voltage cutoff will be there, where the battery charger will cuts off when the battery comes to a certain voltage, whatever the voltage you are using it. So it is very easy to maintain lithium battery rather than lead acid battery. Customers care means only the thing is, please don't charge the battery at outside, that is directly sunlight. And please don't use the recharge the batteries when it is very hot.
Okay.
Whenever you come back, you please leave a 15 to 20 minutes. If it is a summer season, please let the battery get cooled, and then you please keep the charger. That is the safer side to use the lithium-ion battery. Always keep in a shed and keep the battery charged and keep the charger outside. Most of the customers, they put the charger into the dicky, beneath of the seat,
Yes.
and they'll get charged because it is not the proper way to charge the vehicle. Charger needs some fresh air to cool the components.
Okay.
So always keep the charger outside and get charged.
So regarding to the charging only, like this is a very common question. People used to confuse that. For example, if I buy an electric scooter and I need to keep it charged, so my daily routine, I used to commute around 30 kilometers, and the range of the electric vehicle is 100 kilometer. So after 30-kilometer range, should I need to charge again, or I need to use it for a complete a battery? I mean, till the 90% usage, or else like whenever there is a possibility I need to keep charge, or what is the safest way to charge, I mean, to get better lifetime, what is the, I mean, charging percentage to keep the charge the electric vehicle?
See, this is most times every customer will ask for this. So what I mean to say is, see, today you are running at 30 kilometers.
Yes.
And tomorrow you may need around 70 kilometers or 80 kilometers.
Yeah.
Discharge the battery to 30 kilometers and remaining will be around 60 to 70 kilometers. And every overnight it will get 5% discharge.
Okay.
Self discharge will be there. 3 to 5% self discharge will be there. So always I recommend the customer to keep the vehicle fully charged. Work, you cannot estimate that tomorrow you have only 15 kilometers or 20 kilometers of range running. So I suggest the customer to keep the vehicle always charged, fully charged. And whenever you move out of the from house, you see that whether the battery is fully charged or not. It is better to keep the vehicle fully charged always.
So it doesn't affect any the battery life?
No. As simple as you are using a cell phone. Every time you, before moving out of a house, you will see that the battery is fully charged or not. Even you carry a power bank also along with you, that in case if the batteries get discharged, again you will connect the power bank. So always keep the, it is also seen that you can carry another power bank also with your bike also.
And this is one more question, like I'm curious to ask. So
Yeah.
people used to, I mean, this is a common question. Like people used to, some technical people used to say this, like whenever you're using a mobile phone and for electric vehicle also, like the same chemistry used, right? So they used to say like up to, we charge only up to 80% or 90%, don't fully charge. And at the same way, please plug in when it is below 20% only. Does it really?
Yes.
See?
That is, your second point is correct. Always keep the battery get charged less than, that is, you have to see at least the battery should be charged before 20%.
Okay. First point.
First point. And the first point is, if you are charging, you are saying that you need to charge only up to 80%. It is not correct from my side. What I mean to say is, correct charger for the correct battery.
Okay.
See, if your battery is provided with a 5 amperes or 10 ampere battery, use the same charger. If you are changing the battery charger for the faster charging, then you have to see whether it has to be charged 80% or 100%. Even for the cell phones also, company will recommend you 2% or 2.5% charger along with the cell phone.
Okay.
But most of the people, they'll get a fast charger. That may be 3 amps or 5 amps.
Okay.
So it can get damaged the battery.
Okay.
What you see in the news is that the cell phone has been get blasted only because of the fast charging. I never recommend the customer to go for fast charging. Fast charging is not advisable at all times. The government is now providing a fast chargers all around the city. That is for the emergency.
Okay.
See, when you are moving out of the road, you are parking at a place where you have the charging facility. You can take a 1 hour or 1.5 hour, 2 hours, whatever the time you have there. You can go for a fast charging, but it is not regular practice to go for the fast charging.
Okay.
Fast charging may damage your battery, life of the battery.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.